Hello, I am Shubham Dubey, student of IIPS DAVV Indore, India, and this is my video lecture based on finding out the order of the convergence of this second method. That is the method for finding the root of a given equation. So the steps are written. Suppose y is the root which is nearly equal to xi. Ei is the possible error of yi. So this will be written as ei plus 1 should be equal to xi, and ei plus 1 y plus y equal to xi plus 1. So limit of ei plus 1 divided by em will be less or equal to m, where I is tending to infinite. So as we know, the formula of finding m is m equal to a fb minus bfa divided by fb minus fa. Then same way xi plus 1 should be written as xi minus 1 fxi minus xif xi minus 1 divided by fxi minus f of xi minus 1. So yi plus 1 means same step will be written as y plus ei minus 1 fy plus I minus y plus ei fy plus ei minus 1 means just I am putting the value of xi in this manner. So finally we have y plus ei minus 1 into this will be whole maximized means expanded in the form of fy plus ei divided by factorial 1 f dash y ei square divided by factorial 2 f double dash y, and so on, and minus this will be written as like this, and this will be expanded in this manner, that is fy plus ei minus 1 f dash y plus ei minus 1 square f double dash y upon factorial 2 plus, and so on, and this will be expansion of this term like this, and expansion of this term is just like this. So on continuing it and solving it, finally we have y plus ei minus 1 ei, taking ei f dash y common from whole step, finally we have 1 plus e dash I square divided by factorial 2 f double dash y divided by f dash y, and so on, and minus y plus ei into ei minus 1 f dash y and 1 plus ei minus 1 upon factorial 2 f double dash y f dash y, and this will be minimizes in this manner, taking e dash I f dash ei f dash y common. So finally this whole will be written as 1 plus ei divided by factorial 2 f double dash y upon f dash y minus ei minus 1 into 1 plus ei minus 1 upon factorial 2 f double dash y upon f dash y. So on solving whole term, finally we have a step like this. Ei plus 1 will be written as ei minus 1 the whole square ei f double dash y minus ei minus 1 the whole square f double dash y, and divided by, on solving this we have finally this step means 2 f dash y ei minus 1 minus ei. So this should be written as, after minimization, ei plus 1 equal to ei into ei minus 1 f double dash y divided by 2 f dash y. This is our equation number B. Now finally what we have to find, we have to find the order of convergence. So order of convergence of second method is only found if it will be written as in the form of like this, means ei equal to k ei minus 1 to the power m. So let this will be written as like this, k is a constant, so ei upon k means taking this in this side, k in this side, left side, finally we have ei divided by k less than or equal to ei minus 1 in to the power m. So from B, our equation from B, finally we have ei plus 1 equal to ei multiplied by ei upon k to the power 1 upon m, means finding out the value of, when we find value of ei minus 1 from this step, we have it in the form of ei upon k to the power 1 upon m multiplied by f double dash y to f dash y. So ei plus 1 less than or equal to ei to the power 1 plus 1 upon m, and multiplied by whole term, this is k. So on putting the limit manner, finally we got limit I to tends to infinite ei plus 1 upon ei 1 to plus 1 upon m will be less than or equal to m. So from A and C, this is our equation number A and this is our equation number C. So comparing the power of E, finally we, after comparison, we find that here the power of ei will be 1 plus 1 upon m, means this, and here the power of e is m, means this both will be equal because the RHS and RHS are equal. So it is the rule that if RHS are equal, then LHS will also be equal, means 1 plus 1 upon m equal to m. So on minimizing it, we have m square minus m minus 1 should be written as 0. So after finding the value of m, finally we have m equal to 1.6180. That is the order of the convergence of the second method. So basically the order of convergence is less than Newton-Raphson method, that is 2. So the rate of order of convergence is pretty slower, and also I think that second method is not taking the exact guarantee of the solution. So thanks for watching me.